Hi Stallions! This is a walking tour of our campus to help you get acquainted with your surroundings if you've never joined us before. If you're a bus rider, you're going to be coming in on the bus ramp and you will enter our campus in one of two locations. We will have a bus stop here, and then we'll also have a bus stop a little farther down where you see the other yellow chains. You'll each enter through a separate door. If you're coming through this one, you will be coming this way, down the walkway, and you will be looping around the sidewalk, and you'll come down the sidewalk here, and you'll loop in through the side entrance. Once you enter the door, you can stop and grab your grab-and-go breakfast here, and you're going to proceed on down the hallway. If you'll notice, the stickers on the floor are directional because this is, at this point, a two-way hallway. There is a pivot point at the end, and in that pivot point is where you would turn around and go the other direction, so we're not crossing traffic. So we're going to head this way. We're going to go by Miss Moran's room from this bus entrance, Mr. Schwinghammer's door. Keep on cruising this way. Oh, I can't go that way because the feet are not that direction. So that means I have to go this way. So I'm going to go down this hallway. And down this hallway, we have Miss Smyrnios's room. We have Miss Carney's room. We have Miss Gary's room. We have a bathroom that is open and ready for use, but our water fountains have been shut down, so make sure you bring your bottled water or clear bottle to refill. Also, the media center. And then the last room on the right on this hallway, which is Academic Way, is going to be Miss Richardson's room for Avid. From here, you're going to meet a divided pathway, and you're going to look at the floor and you're going to say, uh-oh, the feet are going only one direction, and so is the arrow. So that means I have to go to my left. And when I go to my left, that takes me right here to the front office in the Commons. And you can see that this is divided too. So it's one-way traffic this way, and it is one-way traffic on the opposite side of the stanchion. So if I turn this way and I walk down, I'm going to be headed towards the cafeteria through the Commons. And I'm going to have to make a choice. It's kind of like a choose your own adventure up here at the other end of the hallway. If I go to my left, I'm going to be going down College Way and then down Junior Varsity to the 6th grade hallway. If I turn to my right, I'm going to go towards the Arts hallway, and I'm also going to be passing by Miss Bennell's reading classroom, Mr. Schultz's language arts classroom, Miss Amy L's reading classroom, and then if I make a left, I'm going to go find Miss Snedeker, Miss Rigney, Miss Leander. I'm also going to find critical thinking. I'm going to find Miss Robinson, and I'm also going to find Miss Bernadine. So if you're looking for any of those teachers, they are going to be down the arts hallway and in our 27 suite. If I make a right, I'm going to head towards gym. This is called Arts East. So I'm going to take a walk, head this direction. Now again, you see, I can make a left and go to the gym, or I can make a right. Wave girls, you're on film. That's Miss Johnson and Miss Verha, two of our awesome Read 'em teachers staying late at night. So if you walk this way, you're going to see we are walking by Miss Leskin's room, Miss Verha's room. This will be Miss Ortega's room. That is Miss Johnson's room. And we're right back where we started in Academic Way when we made our loop. If you are a car rider, a biker, or a walker, you will be entering through the front of our school. As you enter the front of the school, You will enter the double doors to the left of the school. Once you pass through the second set of double doors, you will find the 6th grade hallway, which we also call Junior Varsity Lane. Down Junior Varsity Lane, you will find our social worker's office, Mr. Milford. You will also find Miss Farmer, and behind Miss Farmer, if you open that door, is Mrs. Brown. The next one is Miss Liggins, and behind Miss Liggins is Miss Goronsky. These bathrooms will be closed and for staff use only, so you'll have to use the ones in the outer hallway. Next up is Miss Niebles for health. Then we have Miss Mel for social studies, and right behind her room is Miss Cooper for art. And then the last one in the hallway is Miss Niebles for computers. And again, you're gonna see here, I have to make my decision point and I have to turn around, so I have to walk the other direction.